Student, today in this class I am going to teach you standard 1 subject computer lesson 4 do's and don'ts. See, lesson 4 using computers, do's and don'ts. That means what you can do in the computer and what you don't have to do in computer or in computer room. Now learning outcomes. In this lesson what you will learn, students will be able to maintain correct posture, distance while using a computer. Posture means how you have to sit near a computer. So ways of taking care of computers, how we can take care of computers. Practice safety rules while using a computer. When you are using a computer, that time we should practice some safety rules. Develop habits of sharing computer resources. Now you should have the habit of sharing computer resources. See, in this chapter we will learn about how to take care of a computer and various precautions that we should take while using a computer. Now in this chapter what you will learn, how you should take care of a computer and various precautions, how you should take while using a computer. All machines that we need, take care. Now what type of machine? All machines that we use need care. A computer is also a machine. We should be careful while using computer. Now when you are using computer, you should be very careful. Computers need special care in order to function properly. Now you should take more care of the computer for function properly. Let's learn about various do's and don'ts that should be followed while using computer. Now while using computer, what we have to follow and what we don't have to follow, that you have to learn. These rules will help us to develop computer manners and take care of our computer properly. Now these rules will help us to take care of our computer and to maintain computer properly. Keeping computer clean. Now first is, you should keep the computer clean. Clean your computer with a clean and dry clothes. Never use a wet clothes. Now while using a computer, means when you are using a computer, that time you have to clean the computer. That time you should clean with a dry cloth, not a wet cloth. Now do not eat or drink near the computer. You should not, see the picture it is showing, you should not eat or drink near the computer. Keep the computer room clean. Remove shoes before entering the room. Now when you are entering the room, you should remove your shoes. See the picture showing, you should remove the shoes, then you should enter the computer room. Now next is, keep the computer covered when not in use. Now when you are not using computer, that time you should cover your computer. Using computer gently. Don't touch computer wires. Now you should not touch the computer wire. Clear everyone? You should not touch the computer wire. Do not bag the computer or its parts. Don't snatch the mouse or any other computer part from your classmates. Now while working on a computer, you should not bag the computer or its part, and you should not snatch the mouse or any other computer part from your classmates. When you are using computer in your school, at that time you should not snatch the mouse or any other computer parts from your classmate. Press the keys of a keyboard gently. Now gently means nicely you have to press the keyboard. Don't handle the keys roughly. Doing so can damage the keyboard. Now when you are working on a computer, you should press the keys of the keyboard gently and don't press it roughly. Roughly means again you don't have to press. Hold the computer mouse properly. Now see the picture. You should hold the mouse properly while you are working on a computer. Maintaining correct posture. Correct posture means you have to sit straight while you are working on a computer. Always sit straight on your chair while working on a computer. Don't bend forward. See, like this you have to sit straight and work in a computer. Don't sit very close to the monitor. It is harmful for your eyes. See how he is sitting close to the monitor. You should not sit close to the monitor. Why? Because it harmful our eyes. Sharing computer means you should share your computer. Share your computer with your classmates and friends. You should share your computer with your classmates and friends. Help them in doing the work given by your teacher. You should always help your friends what the work your teacher has given to you. Being sensitive to others. While using a computer in your school, lab, internet cafe or any other public place such as an office, you should take care of the following things. Means wherever you are using computer, you should take care of some following things. Don't play music loudly. Main important thing is what? You should not play music loudly. Use headphones to listen to songs or keep the volume low. Now when you are listening to song, you should use a headphone, or you can keep the volume low. Don't run or play in the computer room. Now you should not run or play in the computer room as it may damage the computer. Do not make noise. Now in computer room you should not make noise. Silently you have to do your work. Help others if they are not able to work properly on the computer. Now you should always help others when your friends or any other are not able to work properly on the computer. That time you have to help the other classmates. Then think and discuss. Why should you not play near a computer? How can it harm the computer? You should not play near a computer because sometimes what happens? The computer may fall down from the desk and it may break. Now learn more. One should always switch on and switch off a computer properly. Now when you are working, you should properly switch on, and when work is over, you should switch off the computer. Then computer etiquette. While we are using a keyboard, always sit close such as that the keys are positioned in center to your body. Now when you are using keyboard, you should sit little close to the keyboard. Term, take term. Posture, the position in which a person holds his or her body while sitting on a or standing. This is known as posture. Sensitive, aware of and able to understand the feelings of other people. That means it is sensitive. Quick recall means I will give a discuss on this. We should keep our computer clean. We should use a computer gently. We should maintain correct posture while working on a computer. We should share our computers with our friends and classmates. We should be sensitive to the needs of others while using a computer at public places such as computer lab, internet cafe and office. This all we all discuss in the lesson. Clear everyone? Thank you. Have a nice day.